Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, till now we have completed with the filtration of or sorting of the product in previous video. So guys, in this video we will be viewing this product in a single page with correct details. So as we have added into our admin panel, that is the small description and its highlight of the product, then product description and product details or specifications. So according to that we will fetch over here, right? So guys, now so this is the page and now I want to view this single product detail in a full view. So let's click on view detail. So once you can see the URL now, current URL is like electronics, mobiles and MI brand, right? So let me click on view detail. That time Note 7 Pro URL should be generated. Cool. So as you can find that electronic, mobile, MI brand, Redmi Note 7 Pro as we have clicked on it. So if you want to understand this, please watch out the previous video so you can follow up this. So guys, this was the page so where we are viewing the products which we have done now. So this is my view detail and this is the URLs which we have generated for it. So this much big. And now, so guys, once I click this view, so let's make a route for it. Let's go. And this was the collection route. So this is the route for it. So this is the collection, then group, category, subcategory, and then after this your products comes. So the product is nothing but the brand name, that brand's phone. So guys, now let us same thing, we will type it. So let me copy and paste again and let's follow up with this and we will tell this product underscore URL. So PROD product URL, where we will tell this as product view. So you can just mention that product view. So let's copy this function and go to its collection controller. So we are over here. Let's create a function for it, public, or else you can just type fun for extension. Let's wait. Okay, it's, I think something went wrong. Okay, so let's type public function and the function name product view, and over here we will pass all the URLs whatever we are having it. As example, this is the group URL, category, subcategory, and product URL, prod URL. So that all the variables you can pass if you required, or else you can pass that single one, that is product URL. So let me pass this cate URL, then dollar subcate underscore URL, and then dollar prod underscore URL, prod URL, right? So now let us view the data for it. So let's create a variable called products is equal to, then same thing we have to fetch. So I'll just copy this because we need to save time over here. And now let's get this product URL and paste over here and tell this instead of category I am going to call the URL, right? So as you can see in my DB where we will call the product as URL. So copy this product table URL and paste over here. So guys, as you can see here from get to first, because I need only one data, so I am getting that. And now let's return this, return view. So let me just copy this and paste it, right? And let's remove this. So in this product, So we need to create a page called product view, and you have to create this page, and I have already created and designed with it. So I'll just show you that page also. So let me go to that product. Let's arrange this first. So resource views. So inside front end collection product view collections, you can see product view. I'm clicking on it, and you can see that I have already done with the coding part over here. So I'll just explain you how it is going. So this is product, and then inside that I'm working with product view, right? So as you can see, this data will be as title, where this is nothing but SEO tags which we have to do. As you can find in your admin panel, that SEO part is meta title, meta description, and meta keywords. We have to pass to it. So we will be doing that also. Before that, I will first get the data. So as I have passed the variable through the controller, so let's copy this variable called products. So copy and move to this page over here. Let's paste that variables. So I have already pasted those variables, and I will just show you the demo of it. Simple. Let's Control R, and you can see that design over here. See here, guys. So I have just designed with the simple format things which we have to do in it. So I'll just show you. This is the collection electronic mobiles MI brand. Inside MI brand, this 7 Pro is coming. That is nothing but the above URL. As we were seeing here, this thing at this place, now we are doing with that in this format. Over here I have done. So I'll just show you guys what is the output now. So this is my column MD5 image for the image purpose, and this is the column 7. So let us bring it down. I'll just show you in a small pieces so we can understand very clearly. So this is nothing but the relationships data which we are fetching it, right? So this was the product name, and then product of subcategory of name, then product subcategory of its category of name, then subcategory categories group name. We are fetching it, and it's coming under collections. So we are providing with the man-to-man relationship types. So let me reload this page so you can find this URL. Okay, and now coming to this one, that is nothing but your product title. So you can find that H5 tag and the product name I have directly fetched on it, and this is the sale tag and the rating. Rating I have kept it default. That is the simple design for it. If you want to keep more also, or design purpose, you can insert into your DB for dummy ratings and loop the value. So I'll just show you a demo using for each for loop. Let's use for loop and end for, and inside this $I is equal to 1, $I is equal to 5, lesser or equal to 5, $I plus plus, and let's paste this. What happened over here? We have to give semicolon. Okay, so let's save this, and you can see some output. Let me check it out. So rating is 1 now. Let me give Control R. Let's see. So guys, you can see that 5 stars have come over here, right? So this is for just dummy purpose I am putting here. Later on we will be doing with this rating option and all in future videos and or for the videos. So now as sale tag is over here, sale tag as which we have kept on trending, and then starting price, dummy price, you can see in your admin panel which we have created. So this is the sale tag and original price, offer price, quantity, priority, and few more details. So this is the small description, and this is the highlight. So highlight comes over here. This is not the default one. This is also coming from DB. So I'll just show you from the admin panel. So let's go on description. You can see highlights, custom. I'll just paste it. Okay, so everywhere I'll mention that product description custom. This is also custom, so to understand how it is coming, that heading also. So you can manage your heading for your even laptops or cloth, menswear, women's wear, any type of it. So let's reload this page. Let me load it, and now you can find that, see, highlights custom, right? So I'll just show you that also over here. So this was the price for it. So not, we will move on with step by step first. So this is the offer price and this is the original price, and some small quantity button design. You can include whatever design you like, and one simple add to cart button. I have used number format to format the pricing. And coming to, this was my quantity button input and the simple button add to cart. Later on we will be learning about how to add to cart, and this is the small description. In the symbol shift 1, if you press, this symbol will come. And coming to this one, highlight section, I have made it. So this is the highlight section, and this is the product section description, and this is the detail, right? So this is the highlight heading, highlight paragraph, description heading, description paragraph, and details heading and details paragraph. Okay, so these the things are available which we have pasted over here. As you can find that table design over here which we have done it. If you want to extend this, we can use through this format. So now everything is designed, guys, and the view is output of it. So guys, in this video we have completed that how to fetch this design, and you can move on it. So as you can see, all the code which is available over here, you can just do it, or else you can continue in your template. So guys, so now let's continue that our SEO part which we have to do. Okay, so guys, as you can see in the title, and we need meta description, meta tags and all. So that one we have already designed in our DB. So you can see that in SEO part we have given the space for meta title, meta description and keywords, right? So you can tell this as Red MI Note 7 Pro. So you can tell this same thing for description, MI brand, new featured mobile phone. You can same thing you can add for your keywords also, as you can mention your keywords things. So let me update this. So once updated, we'll just check the output. Okay, it's loaded now. So let me click on SEO. Let me close this first. Let's click on SEO, so you can see that the data have come over here. And now let's fetch over this and view the details. So I'll just show you, inspect and show you what's showing now in your meta tag and meta description. So in your head tag you can find title as right now. See that it's showing this one, but we don't need this. We need, instead of that, we need all this details which we have fed for the product. So let's get back and tell over here. So let's remove this and call your variable which you have passed it. So let's copy this variable and call it over here. Not directly, we have to put in blade cursor and call its DB table column name. So my title is meta title for the product. Let's paste that, and same thing you have to copy and paste for meta description. We can give, let's tell meta description, and one final meta underscore keyword. So we can tell this keyword or meta tags, you can mention that. So keyword and tags are both meaning same. And now this both should be included in your blade file, I mean front end blade file. So let's view that over here, and let's go to front end. So in front end you can see that title is already yield. Okay, so that we are using it here in the form of title. So now we need the meta also. So we'll just type meta tag, meta tag. You can just do with this, or else let's Google HTML meta tags. Let's see with this first one. Okay, so these are few description and the keywords. So let me copy this, let's close it off and get back to here and paste. Done. So over content we have to yield it at yield open bracket, inside single quote we will tell meta descript. So let's take this value and both should be same. Okay, so now let's copy this and paste for the below also. Let's paste that, and let's make sure your both names are same, so you can yield that. That's it. Let's save it, and now you can call your columns things over here. So let me go to DB. So this is meta description. Copy this and paste. Get back again, meta keyword. Let's copy and paste. Set. So let's get back and reload the page so you can find the correct name on the title bar. As you can see guys, Redmi Note 7 Pro, it's showing fab card, that is default, which we have kept. And then you can see here meta description and meta content, meta keywords. So you can find all the details over here as you are fetching from the DB. So guys, we have completed successfully of fetching the product in a single view, and now in next video we'll be learning about how to make this quantity, add to cart and all, and store into our session, cookies or DB. So in this video that's it. Let's continue in next video. So thank you for watching this video guys. Please subscribe, like and share.